Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Google Calendar to Waze. Whether you're trying to keep track of your appointments while on the road, or you simply want to get reminders and directions to your scheduled events automatically, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you've never synced a calendar to Waze before. First, open your Waze app and go to the main screen. Once you're there, look for the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to open the menu, and from there, you can either select View Profile or directly head to Settings for quicker access. Take your time and follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, scroll down in Settings until you find the Notifications section. Under this section, tap on Plan Drives. This feature allows Waze to interact with your calendar events so it can automatically provide routes to your appointments. Once you're in Plan Drives, simply enable the option labeled Connect Calendar. You'll see a prompt to choose your Google account, so select the account you want Waze to sync with. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Google account is active on your device, and that Waze has permission to access your calendar. If a permission setup pops up, simply select Allow. Doing this beforehand ensures that your events sync correctly and prevents any issues with missing appointments or navigation errors. Once you've completed these steps, your Google Calendar will be connected to Waze. Now, any upcoming events with addresses will appear in your Waze app, and you'll get easy navigation to your appointments without having to enter addresses manually. It's also a good idea to double-check that the calendar sync is active, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your schedule on track. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add your Google Calendar to Waze easily and efficiently, giving you a smarter and more organized driving experience. Thanks for watching this Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking to streamline their navigation and keep their appointments on time. You might just make someone's day a lot easier. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more practical tips on getting the most out of Waze.